There are two different ways to enter a trade from the MYFX console, by either clicking on the flag icon or clicking on the price box. If we choose to click on the flag icon to enter our trade, we're electing to use the one-click trading feature of MYFX. This is a very quick and powerful way to enter a trade using preset stop-loss, take-profit, and lot size settings. In order to use one-click trading and effectively click on the flag icon to enter our trade, the Enable One-Click Trading box must be checked. Below this checkbox, we can also select the default lot size we wish to use. Please note that once we edit and change the lot size in this field, all lot size settings will automatically change to reflect this default setting. If we need to modify a particular lot size for any pair that we don't want to automatically use the default one-click lot size setting for, we can simply enter the desired lot size in this field. Now, even though we will still be able to use the one-click trading feature by clicking on the flag icon, our position size for this pair will reflect what we have manually entered in the size field. If we ever need to reset all size fields back to a default setting, simply edit the one-click lot size and save it, and all pairs will be updated to that setting. When using the flag icon to enter our trade, the default stop-loss and take-profit settings will be automatically applied to our trade if we have selected to use the default settings by checking these boxes. The default settings can easily be changed at any time by clicking on Edit, then inputting the new value and clicking Save. Please remember to click on Save for the changes to take effect. Now, by clicking on the flag icon to enter our trade, you will notice that the stop-loss and take-profit settings are instantly applied to our position and can be viewed either in the pip amount or the price level. If we choose to click on the price box to enter our trade, we are given a more manual, hands-on approach to set up the parameters we want to use for the trade. In the Place New Order pop-up window, we can set up our trade to either be a market order or a pending order. We can manually input our desired lot size, and we can choose from a pull-down menu of stop-loss and take-profit settings, or manually enter our desired numbers in the field. If we leave these fields empty, the default stop-loss and take-profit settings will be applied to our trade if the Use Default Stop-Loss and Use Default Take-Profit checkboxes are checked. In the event that we would need to amend our stop-loss or take-profit settings once our trade has been executed, we simply right-click on the stop-loss field in the grid. Now we can choose to either move our stop-loss a certain distance from the open price or to move the stop-loss a certain distance from the current market price. We can also specify an exact price we want to move the stop-loss to, or move the stop-loss by a certain amount of pips, or remove the stop-loss altogether. The risk calculation will be updated once the stop-loss settings are changed. The take-profit settings can easily be adjusted the same way. To close a trade, either an open trade or a pending order, simply click on the Close button. If we wish to only close a portion of an open trade, click on Partial Close. A pop-up window appears and gives us a few options. We can either select to close 25%, 50%, or 75% of the trade by using the radio buttons, or we can enter a specified amount in lots of how much of our trade we wish to close. If for some reason we need to close all of our open trades, MYFX allows us to do this very quickly and easily. Simply click on the Close All Trades button, and all open trades, as well as pending orders, will be immediately closed. If we need to add a currency pair to the pool of flags in the symbol area, click on the Settings tab. Now click on Edit Symbols. A new window will open showing us all the currency pairs available through our MetaTrader broker. Using the arrow buttons, we can add or remove currency pairs. Let's add the Australian dollar, Canadian dollar, click Save, and go back to our Manual Trading tab. Now we see that the Australian dollar, Canadian dollar currency pair has been added for convenient trading. If the symbol area gets too cluttered with multiple currency pairs, we can either choose to set the flags to a smaller size by clicking on Small in the View mode, or we can choose to view the currency pairs as text instead of flags.